Welcome. Thank you for visiting. If you enjoy our content and want to stay updated with the latest tips, ideas, and inspiration, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and turn on notifications. Join our community and be part of the journey. Thank you. And organic gardening practices to complement your seasonal garden decor. Sustainable garden decoration not only beautifies your space but also today, we are showcasing the epitome of elegance in dining spaces, the luxurious wooden dining tables that transform a simple meal into an extraordinary experience. A high-end wood table is not just furniture. It's the centerpiece of your home, reflecting sophistication, craftsmanship, and timeless beauty. Whether you prefer classic, rustic, or contemporary styles, investing in a luxury wooden dining table elevates your entire dining area. In this guide, we will explore various design elements, materials, and decor tips to help you select and style the perfect opulent wooden table that complements your home's aesthetic and creates memorable moments with family and friends. The foundation of a luxurious dining table is the choice of wood. For an elegant look, premium hardwoods like mahogany, walnut, oak, or teak are ideal. Mahogany's rich, deep hues exude warmth, while walnut offers a sleek, dark finish that adds sophistication. Oak provides durability and a classic appeal, and teak is renowned for its resilience and luxurious grain. Each wood type offers unique characteristics, grain patterns, color variations, and textures that contribute to the table's overall aesthetic. When selecting your wood, consider not only style but also longevity and maintenance. High quality, sustainably sourced wood ensures durability and a sense of luxury that lasts for generations, making it a worthy investment for your elegant dining space. A truly luxurious wooden dining table is a work of art, crafted with precision and attention to detail. Opt for designs that showcase the natural beauty of the wood, with smooth finishes and refined edges. Handcrafted details like intricate carvings, inlays, or decorative legs can elevate the piece further. Modern designs with clean lines and minimalist aesthetics are perfect for contemporary luxury homes, while ornate, carved tables suit more traditional or vintage styles. The craftsmanship involved in creating a luxury dining table involves careful selection of wood, expert joinery, and finishing techniques that highlight the natural grain and color. When choosing a table, look for artisan-made pieces that reflect quality and attention to detail. These are the hallmark of true luxury. The size of your dining table should complement your space while accommodating your lifestyle. For an elegant look, opt for a table that comfortably seats your family and guests without crowding the room. Typically, allow at least 24 inches of space per person for comfort. For a formal dining area, a table that extends or has an adjustable leaf provides flexibility. For larger gatherings, remember to consider the proportions of the room. Too large can overwhelm, while too small may feel inadequate. An oversized table with a balanced proportion creates a commanding presence, especially when paired with luxurious chairs and decor. The goal is to achieve harmony between the table, chairs, and overall room layout, emphasizing elegance and comfort. The finish of your luxury wooden dining table plays a crucial role in its appearance and durability. High-quality finishes such as lacquer, polyurethane, or natural oils can enhance the wood's natural grain and provide protection. For a glossy, mirror-like surface, lacquer offers a stunning, reflective finish, perfect for showcasing intricate grains. Natural oils offer a matte, soft finish that emphasizes the wood's warmth and texture, suitable for a more understated elegance. Protective finishes also safeguard against scratches, spills, and wear over time. Custom finishes, such as distressed, hand-rubbed, or antique effects, add character and uniqueness, elevating the overall luxury feel. When selecting a finish, consider the style you want to achieve and the level of maintenance required to keep the table looking pristine. An elegant wooden dining table is the perfect canvas for exquisite tableware and decor. Crystal glasses, fine china, and silverware instantly elevate the dining experience. Incorporate luxurious table runners, placemats, or silk napkins to add texture and sophistication. Centerpieces such as floral arrangements, candles, or decorative bowls can serve as focal points, enhancing the overall aesthetic. Gold or silver accents in cutlery or decorative objects add a touch of opulence. For a cohesive look, match your decor with the overall theme, whether modern glam, vintage charm, or minimalist elegance. Thoughtful placement and quality materials ensure your table exudes luxury and invites intimate or grand gatherings alike. No luxury dining experience is complete without elegant seating that complements your wooden table. Choose high-back chairs upholstered in plush fabrics like velvet or leather to add comfort and sophistication. Chairs with intricate carvings, gold accents, or sleek modern lines can make a bold statement. The contrast between the rich wood table and luxurious seating amplifies the sense of grandeur. For a cohesive look, coordinate the chair finish with other decor elements, metallic accents, fabric colors, or wood tones. Also, consider adding decorative cushions or throws to enhance comfort and style. Ultimately, the right seating not only complements your table but also invites guests to linger and enjoy the sophisticated ambience. Lighting plays a vital role in highlighting the beauty of your luxury wooden dining table. A statement chandelier hanging above your table can serve as a focal point, adding glamour and warmth. Opt for chandeliers with crystals, metal finishes, or modern glass designs that match your decor style. Complement with wall sconces, pendant lights, or accent lighting to create layered illumination. Dimmable lighting options allow you to adjust the mood for formal dinners or intimate gatherings. Warm, soft lighting enhances the richness of the wood and creates a welcoming atmosphere. Combining thoughtful lighting with your luxurious decor elevates the entire dining experience, making your space feel sophisticated and inviting. Finally, maintaining the beauty of your luxury wooden dining table requires proper care and attention. Regular cleaning with soft cloths and gentle cleansers preserves the finish and prevents scratches. Use coasters, placemats, and protective pads to avoid damage from hot dishes or sharp utensils. Avoid prolonged exposure to direct sunlight to prevent fading or warping. Periodically apply appropriate oils or waxes to maintain luster and protect the wood. Consider professional restoration for scratches, dents, or refinishing to keep your table looking brand new? With proper maintenance, your luxury wooden dining table will remain a statement piece, exuding timeless elegance and serving as the heart of your home for generations to come. Thank you so much for watching and supporting us. Your support means everything. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell. Join our community and be part of our exciting journey. Thanks again.